Welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do luxury beading on your dresses or your gown. We have different types of beads. These ones are plastic beads. These ones are plastic beads. And then here I have crystal beads. You can see that they are of different sizes. I also have the ones that are quite big. You can see this one. See, this one is big. This one is quite bigger than this and of different shapes. And this one too is big. So it all depends on what you want. Using this bead, and then I'll thread my needle. And so I'll be beading the neckline. So you might just decide like, okay, I'll start on this line, on this point. Okay. And then I'll keep my bead and just make this to be close to the edge. I want it to be close to the edge. So I'll pick like four beads and check if it will cover this line that I have here. I see that it will cover. So I'm going to place it like this. Can see? Place it like, let it be firm. Then close to it, very close to it. You bring out your needle, giving enough space for the bead to sit. And then you put another one. Like this. Can see? Then you come here again, this side. Then you put another one. So these are you keep doing. As I brought it out here, I'll come to this side now. This side, because I brought it out down here. Come to this side here. Put another 4. See? See? So that's how you do till you reach the end. Okay, so this is what I've reached this place. And so if you are doing it wrong to the end, that's what you do. You can see that it's very beautiful. This is how it will be on the neck area. So this one now is 4 lines, yours will be 3 lines, or it can be more than that. But you can see the way I arrange it. I first put the 4, put it back in here, and then put another 4 like that, up down up down up down, so we are able to reach this place. Okay, so if you are doing it around the neck, that's what you're going to. Please kindly watch the next video to see how to make this design on a dress. You can alter it to be any way you want. If you have found this particular video helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.